Yeah, I'm like, oh God, oh my God. Bitch, I run the game, y'all just commentate from the side. I'm like, oh God, oh my God. Everything I do, you know I do it for the squad. I'm like,
what up, crew? All right, I'm back today to bring you guys another video. So today, as you guys know, this is my EG turbo hatch. This thing did not have torque mounts on it, so I went ahead and bought a 1320 bracket. I got Billet polyurethane torque mounts. So we're gonna start setting these up. This one bolts up to the transmission right there, those 3 bolts. We'll be setting these up on this side, and then I did get the CRV bracket for this side, the AC bracket. I might have to take off the downpipe to fit it, but that I could fit the torque mount here. And as you guys can see, I already have Billet polyurethane mounts all around as well, but this should help with the wheel hop. Yeah, man, let's get into this video. I'll start installing this bracket, show you guys how I get this side done, and then once I get that side done, and then we'll go for a review drive and see how it does after, because I can definitely feel a lot of wheel hop on it when doing pulls. All right, let's get into it. All right, so as you see, we had to take off the bumper. It just made it easier instead of having to get it up on jack stands or anything else. Got it up. You see, we got the bracket in. It's all tightened down. I was running into an issue. I got these all bolted in now. They're flush, looking pretty good. But yeah, the old bolts are in here. So when I kept trying to like line it up and line the bracket up, it just kept going. It was off. So for like 10 minutes, I finally came down and saw all the old bolts are in there. Took them out. This lined up good. Everything else lined up good after that. Yeah, so we just need to tighten this down right now. And that will be it for this side. And then we'll move on to this side. So I'll get you guys started once I tighten that bolt. Bring out the hardware for this side, show you guys what we're working with. All right, so we got the new bracket. Got the mount semi on there, still loose, so we can maneuver it. Just hopefully we don't gotta take off the downpipe to install this. Yeah, we'll get started on this. I'm gonna go ahead and check this side for the bolts because I guarantee you that they're in there as well. Remove those and then we should be good to go. Get this puppy on and then go for a test drive and see how it works. Let's get it. All right, so finally I got the damn bracket on. This thing was a pain in my butt. Yeah, so what I had to do for it to actually fit so it wouldn't hit the downpipe, there's a little space there now. I actually had to lower the engine down a bit to be able to get the bracket on correctly, let it sit right so there wasn't so much pressure on it. I got everything tightened down except the last bolt on the side, which I'm just going to torque that down with the torque gun right now. But other than that, looking pretty good, I'd say. So let's go ahead and torque it down really quick. Last one. Sweet. All right. Looks like we are all set. Everything looks great. Cool. All right, let's go ahead and take it for a ride and see what I think. Let you guys know. All right, so we did run into an issue. So this bracket, once I tightened it up, pushed this gasket out quite a bit. Found out the kit did come with some spacers for this side, which I just installed. It's still sticking out a bit, but it's not as bad as it was before. Other than that, I mean, I had to take it all back apart on this side and read those spacers. But yeah, the ride I took, vibration was insane. Everything was shaking. Once you would get into high RPM, it would just everything would just vibrate like crazy. The whole car was vibrating. But if it did feel more like in place, so I would recommend these out. Like the pulls I did, it just felt like an arrow. It felt good. There was no wheel hop no more. It eliminated that for me. But yeah, that's really about it. It's pretty good. If you're cool with the vibration, wouldn't recommend it for a daily driver, but like if it's just like a fun car for the weekend, like definitely recommend it, or for the track, it's perfect. Yeah, that's it. I appreciate you guys sticking with me. Stay tuned for what we do next. All right, you guys have a good one.
like goddamn, I'm like, oh God. Hold up, wait a minute, they ain't ready for the hook. It's another day, another book. I feel like Indiana and Atlanta, hotter than a banner coming with the stamina. Bitch, put down your camera and